Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing with full focus for your exams. In today's video, I am going to share unit-wise important short and long questions for the subject Botany Microbial Diversity and Lower Plants BSc first semester November-December 2025 exams. Now on your screen, you will see each unit's important short and long questions displayed one by one. These questions are carefully selected based on the latest syllabus. Let me now share some useful exam tips and tricks that can help you score better marks. For short questions, write around half a page to one full page. Start with the proper definition. Add a simple example if needed and always draw a diagram or table if possible. For long questions, aim to write 3 to 4 sides of your answer booklet. Begin with a clear definition. Follow it with a detailed explanation. Include real-life examples and support your answer with diagrams or tables for better impact. Now, here are some smart writing tips to follow in the exam hall. 1. First, read the question paper carefully and calmly. 2. Do not write anything on the question paper except your hall ticket number. 3. Begin your answers with the question you know best. This builds confidence and creates a good impression. 4. Always start each answer on a new page. 5. Write the question number clearly at the top left and center of the page. 6. Don't miswrite or change question numbers. 7. Use headings and subheadings and highlight them neatly. It makes your answer more readable. 8. Use the last page as rough work and label it clearly. 9. In the last 5 minutes, check all question numbers and quickly review your answers to fix any small mistakes.